Okay, we're finishing up chapter 54 with a quick talk on pathogens. Make sure you know what a pathogen is. It's a disease-causing organism. Viruses or bacteria, fungi, plants, animals like worms. So a pathogen is something that can infect you. And so make sure you know this vocab word. It's not effect or affect, right? So when you're infected by something, there's something inside of you that's making you sick, like a bacteria or a virus or worm or whatever. And make sure you know the difference between an infectious disease versus a genetic disease. So a genetic disease is caused by an error in DNA. An infectious disease is caused by some type of pathogen. So there are certain types of diseases that are transmitted between animals and humans, and those can be direct. And so one of these, for example, would be rabies, where a person is bitten by maybe a rabid bat or fox or whatever. And then there are certain of these pathogens that are passed by a vector. So a vector doesn't get sick itself, but it can carry the disease. So an example of a vector would be a mosquito, maybe with malaria. An animal has the pathogen in it, and then a mosquito bites the animal that's infected, and now the mosquito has the malaria parasite in it, and it goes and bites a person and gets the malaria parasite into the person. The mosquito in this case would be the vector. For Lyme's disease, the vector is a tick, and one of the primary hosts are various species of shrew or other rodents, actually. And so the rodent has the Lyme's disease parasite in it, gets bitten by a tick, the tick takes it, and the tick itself doesn't get sick, the tick is the vector, but then it bites a person and the person gets sick.